The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by United Way Suncoast.
Welcome back to Bloom. Early learning is an educational issue, but it's also a health issue. Here to tell us about an initiative to ensure equity and access to early learning for all children is Allison Welter, Educational Director with United Way Suncoast. It's so great to have you here.
Great to be here, Gayle. Thank you so much for the opportunity. So research shows that approximately 90% of the brain is developed by age 5. So we at United Way Suncoast really focus on those early years from birth to 5 to help children get ready for kindergarten.
Yeah, I think a lot of people only think of it as learning, but brain development and behavioral concerns, social interaction, that all plays so much into this.
Sure, a child's early experiences help them form connections in the brain that will affect their lives going forward for years. So that's why we focus on the kindergarten readiness component, because if a child enters kindergarten ready to learn, they are more likely to then read on grade level by 3rd grade, and those two key points help determine a child's lifelong success and career potential.
And there's been, for many, many years, you've been dedicated to this mission statement. How do you help support these children and make sure that all kids get access to this kind of learning?
Sure. So we focus across our 5-county footprint. We have a variety of programs and partnerships that really help to address those equity issues in early child care. So we have the Quality Child Care Initiative, where we provide resources, professional development, access to family engagement opportunities at early learning centers throughout our 5 counties. We also offer support through our United for Literacy program, which offers sites, community spaces, a kit with a variety of early learning resources, because these tools we know will help children get ready when they enter kindergarten. We also really promote VPK enrollment. Children who participate in a VPK program are much more likely to enter kindergarten ready to learn and to experience that academic success going forward.
And a lot of people, they're like, I'm so done with the pandemic, I don't even want to talk about it. But a lot of kids did fall through the cracks during that period of time, and I know you support that as well.
Yes, correct. So the pandemic was a huge experience for all of us, adults and children alike. Many young children were in child care centers that closed for an extended period of time. Many children stayed home, understandably, for health concerns during the pandemic. So what we saw is, as children returned to the learning environment, there was an increase in behavioral concerns and challenges. So in order to address that, we've partnered with community organizations who specialize in mental health and inclusion support to not only support families and children, but also to help those teachers who are adjusting to this new learning space.
Well, we're really lucky to have United Way Suncoast right here. I mean, you look at this, 100 years of advocating, donating, volunteering since 1924. All right, for more information, visit unitedwaysuncoast.org. And we're so excited to have the United Way Suncoast participating in our Bloom Health Expo Saturday, July 13th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. inside the Tampa Bay Buccaneers Advent Health Training Center. We hope to see you there, and we will be back with more Bloom right after this, so don't go away.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by United Way Suncoast.